This is Sheikh Altaf. Today we'll discuss the first chapter, that is living world. So in this living world, 45 bits are there which are related to NEET level questions. One by one we'll explain that analysis of this paper. First question, see all of you. Which of the following is not all inclusive? The defining feature of living organisms. Defining feature means that will be related to the total systems. So metabolism, it takes place in all living organisms. Irritability, it is also living organisms. Cellular organism takes place in all living organisms, but in reproduction it does not take place in all living organisms. For example, you can say infertile couple and some honeybees, they can't reproduce even though they are a living organism. So correct answer is D. Next question, a taxonomic book describing all the information about the Nicotina is designated as. So Nicotina, it is related to, here you see that first option they given monograph, no, manual, no, flora, Nicotina, no, it is related to the catalog of Nicotina. So answer is D. Next third question, quick referral system in taxonomic studies. Quick means all of a sudden fastly you can refer anything, means you can take through that herbarial. Herbarial means a short period you can identify the more informations. Here botany garden, no, monograph, not, manual is not. So best answer is P. Next, all living organisms are linked to one another by sharing the common. For example, cell wall. Cell wall is present in plant cells, but it is absent in animal cells, like the cell membranes. Some unit membranes are there, and but in prokaryotic cells, unit membrane is differently chemically prepared. So genetic material, it is the best answer which can transfer from all living organism from one generation to another generation. Nucleus also not related to this question. Next question. We come to the fifth question. They given list 1 and list 2. Very important is there. So family have one suffix is there. The suffix is called last is called ESC. So if ESC is there in any word that related to the family, now find out. Family means B option, that is fourth, fifth. The first A is related to fifth. Now find out that in this option A, B, C, D, A is fifth, only one option is there. That means that the best answer, then you select that the correct answer is A. Remaining is the kingdom. So kingdom means that is related to that plantia. So plantia, it is one type of kingdom. Now it comes to the order. Order, it is related to that C, means second option, that is Polymoniales. Al is the suffix for that order. Next species. Species is the D. D is related to the first, that is tuberism. That means Solanum tuberism. Solanum is the genus word and tuberism is the species. And last genus. Genus is related to the given Solanum. So Solanum, it is a genus of the potato family. Next, the question number 6. Which of the following is not correct with respect to taxonomic key? The important point is that taxonomic key means it related to that it is not analytic nature. It is based on the set of contrasting character. Okay, it is used in the process of identification. Okay, it is used for the both plants and animals, but yet not related means it will come to that analytic nature. The option is B is the correct answer. Next is the term systematic referred to. Very simple question. This is it is related to the identification, and that is the C option is there. Diversity of kingdoms of organism and their relationship. It is related to the technical term, that is systemic. Here identification of the study of organisms not related to taxonomic or systematic. Identification of preservation is not related, and habitat organism, it is also not related to the systematic. Next question. Which of the following is defining characters of living organisms? So defining character of living organisms that can take place in all the living organisms. For example, you take growth. Growth also takes place in all living organisms. Unable to grow, that is in all living. And D, reproduction, we already discussed that it is a not defining property. Then which is called response to external stimuli. It is the best answer for this question. Next, in herbarium sheet are arranged according to how the herbarium sheets are arranged. So how the arrangements, that one formula is there, systematic. What the systematic it is there? Universal accepted system of the classification should be there in that sheet. Then only you can recognize the International Botanical research, the center, they done this process is the analytic process of this herbariums. Remaining three, you can say regional accept systems. No, it is not global. It is also, it is not regional. National also not. Local also not. That means universal. That is related to the throughout the world. Next question. The herbarium sheet does not carry one of the following. Which should not be not there in means date and place must be there in the herbarium sheet. English name, local name, botanical name also there in the herbarium sheet. Collector name also there, but size and shape of the plant should not be mentioned in the herbarium sheet. So here the answer is D. Next question. The taxon which include related to family is, you know, the taxon is it related to that order and it is not related to that class, division and genus. So best answer is A. Next, convolution, the Convolvulus, Solanaceae and Anacardiaceae, the families belongs to. So all are, it is not related to the one order, they are related to the two orders. So you can take that two order, that is best answer, that is C options. Next, National Botanical Research Institute. There is direct questions already there in that textbook. That answer is Lucknow. Next, taxonomic heritiary refer to. What the meaning of this? That means a stepwise arrangement of all characters of classification of the plants, means that is called taxonomic heritiary. Next, come to B option, classification of the species based on the fossil. It is not related. A group of senior taxonomists who decide the nomenclature, it is not related to the taxonomy heritiary. And a list of botany and zoological who worked on taxonomy, a specific group, also not related. Then best answer is A. Next, here again they will list 1 and list 2 they given. For question number 15, couplet, the direct question, that is a couplet, it is related to that fifth point, a pair of contrasting character. A pair of contrasting character is called couplet, like that. Next, lead. So lead is, it is related to that each statement of key is called lead. Next, monograph. Monograph means nothing but it is information of any one taxa is called monograph. Next, herbarium. Herbarium means it is that is a quick referral systems. So the best answer is A. Next question. Next question. You see that's question number 16. The first step of taxonomy. So taxonomy, the systematical stepwise is there. So out of this, the first step is called identification. So first identification, then again go for the classification, then nomenclatures. So it is the first step is called taxonomy. It is the best answer for that questions. Choose the correct expression. They given that here a group of related genera. So group of genera, genus is related to species. Genera after it will come to class. It should the family. So a group of related genera, it is related after this, including the family. Next, a group of related species. Species after it will come to genus, not order. So this is wrong option. Next, third, C. A group of related family. Family after it will come to order. It is not family after it will be come to that. It is not related to the class. It will come to the order. Fourth option, a group of related order. Order after it will come to the class, not a genus. So out of these four, the best answer is A. Next, growth is not defining properties of living organism, because they are given that some non-living object can increase the size by deposition of extra material on that non-living object. So that's why it is not defining properties. Next, the given that here. Question number 90 they given the classification, heritiary of this classification they given, X they given, the class that is, then subclass, then series, order, family. So what is the meaning of X? So now we can just, X means it is a dicot, and next Y means order related to Rosalis, and Z is related to the Fabaceae family. So it is the best answer is A. Next, the author of systemic nature. So the systemic nature author is, you know, that Carolus Linnaeus. It is direct question for the answer. Okay, next, which of the following rank contain organisms most similar to one another? Means mostly that related related characters are found in that species. So species is the best answer for this question. Next, question number 22. So here they given, it is most difficult to determine relationship with other taxa at the same level respect to. So here what means, so difficult to identify the relationship, because the gradually when species to it go genus, genus to just go for that family and class, complicated will be come in the class. So class is the best answer for this. It is difficult to determine. Next, question number 23. Earliest classification based on. So earliest classification were based on. Here the given morphological characters, no. Sexual characters, no. Anatomical characters, no. Answer is best answer is called use of organism, which is related to the classification of based on. Next, question number 24. The fundamental taxonomic category is basic unit. So you know the basic unit of classification that start with species. Next, question number 25. So taxon ending with the suffix. So taxon is ending with the suffix means it will continue going on that species, genus, after they will come to the order, then it will come to the classes. So here the taxon ending with the suffix means order. Order is related with the ALES. Afterwards there is a specific suffix is not there. Okay. Next, taxonomy comprise. So comprises. So what is the taxonomy comprise means? It is identification, no. Classification, no. Nomenclature, no. That means here we can that it is consist of all. That means not only single. So that is the best option is the all of these. These three are related to the taxonomy. Next, live specimen of plants and animals are found respectively in where botanical garden means live plants are there, zoological parks means live plants are there, but herbaria means it is not live, it is dead, and museum also are dead, and flora and museum these are living and non-living are there. So that's why best answer is first. Next, a pair of contrasting characters in key is called direct question. This is answer is C, couplet. Next, herbaria are used in. So herbaria are used for the identification of the plants only, not for that animals or habit or other particular area or distribution of the plants. So next, question number 30. The given statement, statement 1. Some botanical key is used for identification of a family, genus and species. Statement 2, the given in botanical key a couplet consists of two similar lead. So here the given both statements are wrong, because here the given some botanical keys is used for identification of a family, genus, species, not the key means. And next bottom here couplet means key a couplet consists of not similar leads. Lead is related to that statement of the key. So that's why both are wrong statements. Next, question number 31. Can you identify the correct sequence of taxonomic category? All of you know that it starts with the species, then genus, then order, then phylum. So here this is the taxonomic sequence, correct sequence. Remaining are wrong, because here first is the given order, not genus, that is the species after order, not kingdom, not. So here species, genus is not. So best answer is D. Next, museum have. What the meaning of museum? Museum is nothing but preserve plants and animal species. Here these three options are not related to the museum. Next, which of the following combination is correct in wheat plant? Wheat plant means you know that it is related to that Poaceae families. So here the genus is called Triticum, family is called Poaceae, order is called Polis, and it belongs to the class Monocotyledon. So this is the best answer for that question 33. 34. Which feature cannot be taken as defining properties of living organisms? Again they come to defining properties means already discussed now. The reproduction, it is not a defining properties of living organisms. Next, question number 35. Choose the correct incorrect matching from the following. Incorrect is a find of the incorrect. Incorrect means they given second component of binomial is scientific age. Genus, it is not a second component of this. Okay, so here the given taxonomic category is the rank, it is not related. Variability means lifespan, it is not related to that. Incorrect. So now that you given that second component means what? Second component of a binomial scientific name, it is not genus. Okay, genus after you come to the species, and genus after will come to species. So next, come to the points. Question number 36. Lowest and highest taxonomic category of respectively. Lowest means start with species and ending, that is largest means kingdom. So species and kingdom, that's the best answer for this question. Question number 37. The twin characters of growth are, twin means two characters are there. Increase in the number of individual and increase the mass, both are needed for the growth. Second option what they given, increase in the height they given, increase the mass, no. Here third option they given, increase the molecular weight, no, not related. Increase the size and decrease the mass, it is decrease not the mass, increase the mass. So these three options are not related to this question. Next, question number 38. Statement 1 they given, nomenclature of any organism is done by ICBN. And next they given, binomial nomenclatures, every organism has two names. No, some binomial nomenclatures, three names are there, some are that. That's why it is not related to that question. So question, the best answer is called D. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect, not related. Next, question number 39. Which of the following provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area? Particular area means that is related to manual. Manual, it is a particular area. It is, and catalog, botanical key, and flora. These are not related to this. So best answer is a manual. And next is called the information of any one taxa is found in. So any one taxa found in means one means that is a monograph. That is direct answer. So taxa key not related to museum, not related to manual, not related to herbarium. So it is the answer is D. Then lead, direct question. This is the statement that is given already. Each statement of key is called lead, the direct answer. Next, question number 42. Scientific name to be plant are given based on the principle of provided. Who gave the scientific name? Means ICBN. The full form of ICBN means International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. So they only give the plant names, scientific name. Then question number 43. Properties of tissue is due to. The properties of tissue due to the interaction between the constitution of the cell. Cell is made up of different types of cells. That is the properties of the tissue, and remaining are not related. Next, herbarium means. What the meaning of herbarium? The direct question this is, it is a storehouse where correctly identified dry specimens are preserved in systematically. Remaining three are not related to this questions. So best answer is A. Then last question is, botanical gardens and zoological parks have collection of endemic and exotic living species. So here the best answer is C. Remaining three are not related. So we already completed the 45 questions regarding this NEET level.